You stand and reach your arms out wide, close your eyes and try to fly. It's an underground illusion, tricking you from side to side. We knew all the answers and we shouted them like anthems. Anxious and suspicious that God knew how much we cheated. It can't come quickly enough, and now you've spent your life waiting for this moment. And when you finally saw it come, it passed you by and left you so defeated. High creepers rise between us.